In design thinking and continuous improvement, a fundamental skill set to develop is empathy, which involves understanding systems and humanizing data. Through empathy interviews, participant observations, and immersions, we can move from large-scale data to human stories and back again. Preparation and reflection are the keys to learning as much as possible and making the most of empathy work. All empathy work involves understanding the perspectives of others, and the people we choose for our empathy work can shape our perceptions. For interviews and participant observations, choose individuals thoughtfully, prioritizing diversity, equity, and inclusion. What does your systems level data say about who is not being represented, included, or served equitably? Individuals with more profound needs, those historically marginalized from our systems, or those who break the so-called mold can offer powerful insights. Remember, when shifting from a view of larger data or trends, average is a statistical concept. There is no average person. Focus on what you are trying to learn and how your perspective impacts that. For example, in an immersion, compared to your users, you may have greater or different expertise with the experience that you are trying. How might that impact your perceptions of your immersions? When planning an empathy interview or participant observation, ask, what is your relationship to the interviewee? In schools, of course, we have to address, are we their teacher or their supervisor? What stake do you have in a certain outcome in the interview? Are you looking for certain quotes? What blind spots do you have that could impact the conversation? And how might the power differential influence the interviewee's ability to share or your ability to hear what they have to say? Following an empathy experience, how you process and reflect will impact how you transform the experience into actionable expertise. When, in your empathy work, were your expectations challenged? Take note of these. When were your expectations confirmed? What surprising insights did you have? Surprising insights are powerful opportunities to deepen your understanding of others' experiences. Ask yourself, to what extent was I able to create a space that allowed for me to learn from my interviewee or observation? And what can I learn about my own perspective and how I am improving as an empathetic designer? Building empathy and practicing empathy skills lead us to closer and closer understandings of how people experience the world. How might you use specific strategies for building empathy in your work next?